Hello friends, my name is Amit. In this video, we will see about how satellite internet works, its advantages, disadvantages, and about Starlink project. There is a location in space where you can place a satellite in orbit so that from the ground the satellite appears stationary. What is happening is that the satellite is actually orbiting the Earth at the same speed the Earth is rotating. Geostationary satellites are located at 35,786 km directly above the Earth's equator. The communication satellite, navigation, weather satellites are located in this orbit. The request is generated from our laptop or computer while surfing internet. That request is passed from the modem to the dish and from the dish to the satellite, which is 35,786 km from Earth. Then from the satellite, the signal is transferred to the NOC. NOC is nothing but Network Operation Center. These are used for monitoring or control the satellite network. Then from NOC, the signal is again transferred to the satellite and then from satellite to our dish and from our dish to our device. So the whole process takes 0.5 millisecond. That is, the speed is slow. Hence the Starlink reduces the height of satellite from 35,786 km to 300 km so that the latency is reduced and the speed is achieved up to 100 Mbps. The main advantage of satellite internet is a global coverage. That is, the internet can be accessed anywhere on the earth and with high speed and bandwidth. In India, there are more than 20 million wired broadband connections, but they have issues like slow speed, migration to fiber technology, and majority of companies are unable to provide service in remote areas of the country, and also in natural disasters the service is failed. In India, the HughesNet, Airtel, VSAT provide satellite internet, but the speed is slow. Now we see about Starlink project. Starlink is one of the project of SpaceX which is led by Elon Musk. Everyone know about Elon Musk. He is the world's richest person who is always worked to save the earth. Starlink in August last year already submitted its recommendations to the Telecom Recommendation Authority of India for satellite broadband service in the country. The Starlink wants to launch 42,000 satellites around the earth to provide broadband connections anywhere on the earth. Causes issue of collision risk. The astronauts looking for the asteroids which is coming towards the earth and harmful for the earth, so because of these satellites there is a visibility problem to astronomers. So in India, until government didn't given the permission to launch satellite internet to Starlink, but if the government gives the permission, their installation charges are 40,000 rupees and monthly pack is around 8,000 rupees approximately. So there is a very high competition for Starlink in India. So in this video we discussed the pros and cons of satellite internet and how it works. Okay guys, if you like my work and want to support me, then please do like, subscribe and share.